Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
We're just about to take Caitlin to school.
And me.
Yeah, Caitlin's just nipped into co-op, hasn't she?
Mummy,
To get a breakfast for her dinner.
After school, can we film with Isla?
Oh, I don't know yet. We'll have to see, won't we? But Isla's coming for tea, isn't she, with you?
Yeah.
One of your best friends coming for tea. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Me and Tommy. Excuse the mess. Me and Tommy are going to... Where are we going today?
I don't know.
We're going to IKEA, aren't we?
I thought you said Claire's.
No. Yay! Tommy looks well excited to go IKEA.
What's IKEA?
IKEA is where they sell furniture and things like that. I need to look for a box unit for Violet's bedroom. Yeah? Oh, tickle that chin.
And she's going to paint my bedroom pink.
I am. Yeah, we're going to get a box for your bedroom, and I want to look at TV units, don't I, Tommy?
Mommy, I want a red bedroom.
Oh, okay.
A red one.
I'll see you when we get there. Say bye.
Bye.
Got to IKEA now. Can anyone guess the most important thing that I've got to get today? Can anyone guess what it could be? I'm eating grapes and sausage
No. And apple.
and apples, yeah. Mummy's gone for a big breakfast. I'm definitely not on this diet that I'm meant to be on, am I? Hey? We're having some breakfast, aren't we? Because IKEA's not open yet. Well, the restaurant is, but nowhere else is. So we're going to have some breakfast, aren't we? Yummy. Tommy's really excited to be in IKEA. There's the toilets in here. Wowee. Bless him. It's like a maze for you, is it? Is it a maze? Wowee. Let's see what we can go and find then. I'm on them. Wowee. We're going to be in IKEA a very, very long time. Tommy, what's going on? You're loving it? He's literally going through every single room. And he's mesmerised, aren't you, by it all?
Let me see that one.
It's like a massive maze for him, bless him. He's loving it. Wow. I'm hoping we'll be in and out, but I don't think that's going to happen with Tommy somehow.
No.
It's cool up here, isn't it?
Oh, hi, Jess.
Wow.
Look behind you.
Wow.
Oh.
You don't know where to look next, do you? Wowee. Tommy's currently loving life. Helping me lots, aren't you, Tommy? Yeah. I've somehow got to get this in the car. Anyone guessed correctly? IKEA meatballs. Yummy. Guess what we're having for tea? Job. I've got a humongous car. That wasn't hard at all. I'm sweating. Never guess what's happened again. Drove home from IKEA in Warrington. And this one's asleep. Again. Give me strength. One down. One to go. It literally took me 10 minutes. Our mum's house, aren't we? Going any chocs? Yeah. And then we've got to go pick Caitlin up.
Yeah.
And then Violet's got after school club again. She's got gymnastics. And then her and Isla, her best friend, are coming for tea.
Yeah.
Going.
To school to get Isla.
And where are we going after that? We're going to the park.
The big one.
Yeah. Wowee. You excited?
Mummy,
Yeah.
I'm going to climb on a tree.
Okay, let's go then. Violet got Gymnast of the Week. You've been wanting that for so long, haven't you?
Now we had it 2 times.
Yeah, clever girl. You proud of yourself? Yeah, well done. We're going to end the vlog here tonight. The kids are in bed. I've had to drive to my mum's house to get Caitlin's passport. She's going to Barcelona with school in July, I think, and she needs a passport to take into school, and my mum's got them all, so we've had to drive here to get the passport, and I look an absolute treat. I'm going to go home, get a shower and get ready for Love Island. We'll see you all tomorrow around 4ish again, hopefully, if I don't forget. Please watch, like and subscribe our videos. Thank you. Bye.